Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel. This time, we're gonna check the canvas for the new project that I have ordered. I hope everybody is doing see. Again, I hope everybody is doing well and doing fine. I wasn't able to do so many videos or vlogs in the recent months because I got something. I don't see the toolkit. So there is a toolkit. There is a toolkit. Basic toolkits. Whoa. There is a tweezer. Pen, a multi-placer. This is a 3-placer, a bolt, and the wax. Same thing as the other. There are badges here, which is I like the most, and it's all pink. Ain't that a beauty? I like the color. The drill part is so clear. You don't even need to have a light pad here, and also it is 90 by 40. It's $25. Let them all. I have and it's complete. Like the 150, it's like wine red. I have one bag of this 209. It's lavender, one bag. I have 310, which is black. 17 bags of this. 17 bags. 415, it's gray. I have 469. I have big bag, one big bag. I have 550. It's violet, one bag. 603. Pink. I have 4 of this. 604. I have 7. 605 bags of 66. I have 2. It's red orange. 612, it's like moss green. I have 2. 77. 720, it's all bags of this. 743, 2 bags. 79, I only have 1. 780, I have 3. 781, it's 5 bags of this. 798, it's blue. 1 bag. 817, it's red. I have 819. 823, 1 bag only. 9, I have 3. 90, I only have 1 bag. 926, 972, 977, just 1 bag. 3705, 3750, such thing as dirty yellow. I think this is dirty yellow. 1 bag only. And the last one is 38. All the colors are complete. I want to thank you so much for staying with me and watching my video. And everyone. See you again.